In this short video, we are going to evaluate a definite integral using integration by part formula. So the problem is to evaluate integral from 0 to 1, 5x cubed e to the negative x squared dx. Let's remind ourselves what the integration by part formula is. So it's given here. So recall that integral, so recall integral from a to b f of x dx is integral from f of x dx evaluated at b minus evaluated at a. So the key here is first to determine the indefinite integral before we can evaluate the one we are given. This said, integral from 0 to 1 5x cubed 5x cubed e to the negative x squared dx. We can write it as move the 5 out and then find the indefinite integral of x cubed e to the negative x squared dx and evaluate it as 0 and 1 and take the difference. Now, the integrand is x cubed e to the negative x squared. Remember, this is our u of x, v prime of x. Now, the question here is what is the value for u of x and what is the value of v prime of x? Now, remember that with this, there are quite a good number of combinations to get u of x, v prime of x, but the one that works the best is what we need. So recall or observation, the derivative of e to the negative x squared is negative 2x e to the negative x squared. So this means that we can write this as x squared or negative x squared negative x times e to the negative x squared. And that means this is our v prime of x, and that will be our u of x using that. Therefore, say u of x equals negative x squared. That will imply that u prime of x is negative 2x. V prime of x equals negative x e to the negative x squared x e to the negative x squared. That means v of x is going to be e to the negative x squared. This said, the integral of x cubed e to the negative x squared dx is just uv, which is negative x squared e to the negative x squared minus integral of v of x, that means e to the negative x squared, times u prime of x, that means negative 2x dx. So simplifying this gives us negative x squared negative x squared e to the negative x squared plus, okay, Oh, what do we see here? Just keeping minus as it is. The integral for negative x 2x e to the negative 2x negative x squared e to the negative x squared dx. Oh, now remember what we just found here. What does that mean? So this is just the derivative of e to the negative x squared. Therefore, our integral is negative x squared e to the negative x squared plus minus e to the negative x squared, then plus constant. Now, since we are evaluating this integral of e of x cubed e to the negative x squared dx, so integral from 0 to 1 x cubed e to the negative x squared dx is just negative x squared e to the negative x squared, or you could also write this as negative e to the negative x squared factor to x squared plus 1, then plus constant. So negative e to the negative x squared plus 1. At this point, I'm going to drop the constant because it's definite integral from 1, 0, which means replace x with 1. We get negative e to the negative 1, parenthesis 1 squared plus 1. Now, minus negative e to the 0 or negative 0 square. We could say 1 square here. And then 0 square plus 1. And simplifying. So 1 plus 1 is 2. You get negative 2 over e. Then 1 plus 0 is 0. E to the 0 is also 1 plus 1. In other words, that should give us this one. So the integral from 0 to 1 x cubed e to the negative x squared dx is e minus 2 over e. And this concludes. So now this will imply that integral 5x cubed 0 to 1 e to the negative 2 negative x squared dx is 5 times e minus 2 over e. And this is the final answer.